In this video, we are going to cover how to use the supplier purchase planning within the Cloud Retailer point of sale software. A couple of things before we dive in here is there are a lot of different ways to use this tool, and this is optional. It depends on how you prefer to do your purchase planning, purchasing, receiving, inventory tracking, things like that. So that being said, you will see some options mentioned in the video that you may or may not use or may want to try. It's entirely up to you and works best for your business. I'm just going to give you an overview of probably the cleanest way to use the tool. So now let's get started. We are logged into the back office manager part of Cloud Retailer. We are going to go to Tools and then over to Supplier Purchase Planning. We are going to create a new supplier purchase plan. Description is up to you. We can select our locations if we want to do just specific locations or all locations. Same for suppliers. We can do all suppliers or just certain suppliers. We can also set a filter. So this is useful if you want to narrow down, say, maybe to a specific category or maybe a department. You can see there's a lot of different options here. So let's pick a category. Contains beer. And then once we have our filtering, we can do a search. Or we can go back. Or what we can do is actually just do for everything in the store. All right. We have a couple of options here on calculating our quantity to order. It can be done on reorder points. That's basically where if you say you get down to 5 of a certain item, you need to order 10. Or we can do it on past sales. If we click on past sales, we will get a date range. Look at some of these boxes as far as considering what we have on hand, pending purchase orders, and if we want to order in round cases. When we have all this set, we hit calculate, and the system's going to go in and it's going to tell us what it thinks we need to order. Now you have the option here to override what the system thinks. But if everything looks good after you've reviewed the data, we can click Save. And then it is going to create some purchase orders for us here. Another way of doing this is to go back to Tools now and go to our purchase orders. And here you can see it created 4 purchase orders based on the criteria that we set. And then from here we can still go in and look at the purchase order. It has not yet been placed, and we still have the option to adjust things as needed. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.